So we will be starting Holi, and there are bag of colors. Please get your colors, and there are waters in the park. And help yourself. After that, we would have a prasadam, so you can play Holi for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, how much like you. And after that, we would have prasadam. Then there would be games after that one. So please participate in those games. And I would request Satya Prabhu to talk about a little bit about Goshala and what we are doing at Goshala. And after that, definitely you can start collecting your colors in time. And I would request Satya Prabhu to talk about Goshala, what we do, and what is our mission, and how we are looking you to participate in what are the various ways you can participate in these activities.
Thank you, Pankaj Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Welcome everyone. We are very happy and very proud that so many of you have come together today. We are going to celebrate Holi, and most of you know about Holi. Those of you that do not know about Holi, it is a festival of colors. Please be prepared to have colors everywhere on yourself. Holi is a festival that has been there for thousands of years. At least Lord Krishna's time, about 5,000 years ago, they used to have really great Holi, where people just enjoyed by just having colors. It's celebrating the crop, celebrating cows, and all the rural atmosphere. So it was a big festival. It has been a big festival all along, and today also in India it is celebrated ecstatically. And we are very fortunate here in Phoenix, Arizona, to have a festival like this. I mean, it wasn't possible in many of the places, but luckily we have a Goshala here. So I want to give you a quick introduction about Goshala. Goshala was started 4 years ago, and it was started in a small way with 1 or 2 cows, and we are gradually getting more and more support from people, and we are right now have 4 cows, 2 big cows and 2 small calves, and pretty soon we are hoping to have a much bigger Goshala where we can all enjoy more of these festivals. The purpose of Goshala is mainly to protect cows, and we believe that being kind to animals is the first step towards being kind to human beings. You can see in society in hundreds of years ago, people were a lot more peaceful. We didn't have so many disturbances, so many calamities back then. But if you look at last 10 years itself, there were quite a few calamities. Those of you that remember the 2004 tsunami, which we didn't feel much here in the US, we didn't know, we just watched in TV. And that day I happened to be in India, and even in India the first day we didn't hear anything. We said, people said, oh, water came and then it went back, and maybe 2 people or 3 people died. But as we found out in the days following, there were villages that were completely swept out, and about 250,000 people died in that calamity. So the nature has been pretty rough on us for the last 10, 15, 20 years, because we are not collaborating with the nature, we are not being helping the nature, we are not working with the nature. Goshala gives us the opportunity to work with the nature, to see the cows, to protect the cows, to develop kindness amongst people. We are doing this festival mainly to encourage all of you to come here, enjoy, and then understand what the Goshala mission is. It is just a matter of being kind to the animals, and just understanding that we need a culture like what we had hundreds of years ago in India. That is a culture that sustained for thousands of years. Whatever culture we have today seems pretty flimsy right now. Those of you that are close to medical profession or that have been through injuries, they know that antibiotics are running away. Running out. We don't have too many antibiotics that can save us in the future. Out of the 19 or 20 known antibiotics, about 18 or 17 of them are not effective anymore because people have been using them on animals. People have been using too much. So that is not the way that we are going to sustain for hundreds of years. To sustain very well, we need to be in the Goshala or a rural environment like we are seeing here. The culture itself has to be adopted, the rural culture, and we have to live close to animals and be kind to animals. That is the Goshala mission. We have Pankaj Prabhu here who will give you some idea on how you can help support us. We do have a center on Warner and Rural Road where we have programs on every Sunday. We want you to come and participate with us on every Sunday evening. And we do all the major festivals in the Goshala here. And we want you to come and join. Pankaj Prabhu takes care of all the finances and everything for Goshala. We do have the sign-up sheets and we do have some t-shirts. Please take part in the Goshala movement by taking some t-shirts and helping us taking this movement forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Satya Prabhu. And I let you play Holi first, and after that we would make few announcements. So please enjoy Holi, and we would have Prashadam thereafter. So we would make few announcements after that one about how you can help us in Goshala overall mission that we have. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.